Chairperson. I have the honor to deliver the short version of the statement on behalf of non-alignment movement, and we will send the full version to the WHO in order to be shared. Non-member states reiterate their support to the WHO and to the leadership of Director General Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus. The NAM recognizes the critical role the WHO continues to provide in order to ensure the effective response to the international community to the challenges posed by COVID-19 pandemic, which continues to remain the greatest contemporary human crisis. Upon initiative of Azerbaijani NAM chairmanship, the NAM contact group in response to COVID-19 was set up, and the online summit of NAM contact group was held in May 2020. The summit established the NAM task force to work out database of the basic humanitarian and medical needs and requirements of the NAM member states in their fight against COVID-19, which was then presented to donor countries and international organizations for the provision of feasible assistance. During the summit, the President of Azerbaijan also announced donation $5 million to the WHO to support the most affected non-member states. One of the most significant contributions of the non-member states to the global fight against COVID-19, the 31st special session of the UN General Assembly in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, initiated by the President of Republic of Azerbaijan on behalf of non-member states and supported by the majority of UN member states, will be held on 3rd and 4th December 2020. The final document adopted at the 18th Summit of Head of State and Governments of Non-Alignment Movement held on 25-26 October 2019 in Baku, the heads of states and government welcomed the adoption of General Assembly resolution on the high-level meeting on universal health coverage and adoption of political declaration aimed at scaling up global efforts to leave no one behind and building a healthier world for all. Mr. Chairperson, we can reaffirm that essential goods such as food and medicines should not be used as tools for political coercion, and that under no circumstances should people be deprived of their own means of subsistence and development. The NAM calls for declaring COVID-19 related vaccines as global public food. Good. We reiterate the need for accelerated efforts for unhindered, equal, equitable, and affordable access to provision of COVID-19 related diagnostic, therapeutics, vaccines to everyone, everywhere. The non-member state also recognizes the urgent need to accelerate the implementation health-related SDG by 2030 to improve health system resilience, preparedness, response to health emergencies, to support health promotion and progressive realization of universal health coverage. In line with the principle of health for all, the non-member states call upon the WHO to strengthen their support to governments in their efforts to effectively respond to COVID-19 by providing unhindered assistance in exclusive, sustained manner during and after pandemic. In this context, helping the most vulnerable people, including people under foreign occupation, including detainees, should enjoy special attention in line with respecting dignity and leaving no one behind. We express our strong condemnation as the promulgation and application of unilateral coercive measures against member states of the movement that are applied in violation of Charter of United Nations and international law. Further express our support in accordance with international law to the state affected by such measures, urge international community to adopt urgent and effective measures to eliminate the use of such measures that are inconsistent with principal international law and the Charter of United Nations, with a view to ensure effectiveness of national responses to COVID-19 pandemic. In conclusion, the non-aligned movement reiterates its readiness to continue collaborating with WHO to ensure the right to health to everyone, everywhere. Thank you very much, Chairperson.